To enter price product and piece product in billing memory, press memory location 1, then memory cal hold to recall the memory location, then put weight on pen, then press M plus to add in bill. Now to enter the piece product in a weighing mode, press memory location, that is 3, then press cal hold key, display shows price, then press piece, and now display shows piece. Enter the number of piece you want to add in bill, then press tar key and then DP print to print the bill. Lemon, rate 5, weight 5, that is piece. To clear billing memory, first switch off the machine, then press and hold clear key and switch it on. Display shows version 3, then shows pass. Now enter tar. If you set the password, then enter the password, else it will directly clear the memory locations. That is billing memory. It will take minimum 3 minutes to clear the complete memory. Then display shows done and it will in weighing mode. Now the complete memory location, that is billing memory, is clear.